In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to inpaint in Runway ML. Inpainting is a simple way to remove or replace parts of an image or video and let the AI fill in the gaps so everything blends naturally. I'll walk you through the full process so you can get clean, believable results without guesswork. First, open Runway ML and start by creating or opening a project. Once you're logged in, click New Project, then upload the image or video you want to edit. Higher quality media generally gives better results, so choose the best version you have. Give the file a moment to process and make sure it looks correct on the canvas before moving on. Next, with your media selected, open the inpainting tools. Look for the option labeled Erase and Replace or Inpaint, depending on your interface. This mode is designed specifically to identify the area you mark and generate a natural-looking replacement based on the surrounding context. Now it's time to mask the area you want to change. Use the Brush and Include mode to paint over exactly what should be replaced. Think of this like highlighting the unwanted object. If you accidentally paint too much, switch to Erase mode and clean up the edge. Zoom in for precision on tight details, adjust your brush size for edges and corners, and try to keep your mask tight to the object so the AI has plenty of clean background to reference. If you're removing something that casts a shadow or reflection, include that in the mask so it doesn't remain behind. With your mask in place, write a clear inpainting prompt that tells the AI what should appear inside the masked area. If you simply want to remove something and let the background continue, you can write something like remove object or remove the object and fill naturally with matching background. Be specific when needed. Mention the surface, texture, lighting, or color, for example. Fill with matching brick wall and soft daylight, or continue the wooden floorboards with consistent perspective. Short, direct prompts tend to work best. If the first result isn't perfect, refine your mask edges or tweak the prompt wording and try again. Small changes often make a big difference. Aim for consistency with the rest of the scene. Match light direction, shadows, and detail level so the edit disappears into the image or video. That's it. By setting up your project, masking carefully, and writing a clear prompt, you can inpaint confidently in Runway ML and create seamless, professional-looking edits.